What's up, Mavericks? Running a business is really just one big game of building. You're building your product, your customer base, your revenue, and if you actually want to scale, you're also building your business credit. Now that's the part a lot of people skip. Strong business credit is what opens the door to better rates, longer repayment terms, higher limits, and more funding opportunities as your business grows. One of the easiest ways to start building that credit is with the right business credit card. That's what we're breaking down in today's video with these top 5 picks. Discover It Secured isn't a business credit card, but it deserves a spot on this list. Having a low credit score or no credit history at all can block you from getting the business cards you actually want. Discover It Secured can help you raise your score so you can qualify for better products in the future. This is a secured personal credit card, which means you put down a refundable deposit that becomes your credit limit. You use the card, make on-time payments, and Discover reports that activity to the personal credit bureaus. What makes Discover stand out is that you still earn cash back while you're building that credit. You'll get 2% back at gas stations and restaurants and 1% on everything else. And Discover matches your cash back dollar for dollar at the end of your first year. Discover also regularly reviews your account to see if you can qualify for an unsecured card, which can give you higher limits with no deposit and more room to keep building your credit. There are no income or business requirements. You just need to fund the deposit, which starts at $200. This card is best for founders who need to repair or build personal credit so they can qualify for business cards and funding later. The Capital One Spark Classic is a traditional bank-issued business credit card designed for business owners with fair or limited credit. Capital One reports activity on this card to the business credit bureaus, so responsible use helps build your business credit. You also earn 1% cash back on every purchase, which adds a little value to everyday spending. This card does require a personal guarantee and the APR is on the higher side, but there is no annual fee and you don't need perfect credit to qualify, which makes it a solid starter card. If you want a traditional business credit card but don't yet meet the credit or time and business requirements for better options, the Spark Classic is a straightforward path to stronger business credit over time. The Brex corporate card is designed for startups and scaling companies. It's built around business credit, so there's no personal guarantee, and approval is based on your company's financials, not your personal credit score. Brex is designed for businesses with real operating expenses that want more control over spending. You get expense management tools, team cards, and built-in reporting to manage company-wide spend. This isn't a traditional credit card. It's built for companies with employees, software subscriptions, marketing spend, and ongoing operating costs that need to be tracked. Brex offers a tiered reward structure with up to 7 times points, which can be redeemed for cash, travel, or business services. The catch is that Brex isn't available to every business. It's tailored to startups and established companies with strong revenue, venture backing, or a clear path toward that level. Brex is best for established startups and growing companies that want a true corporate card and business credit growth without using personal credit. Next up is Revenued, our pick for fast-growing businesses. Revenued is built for companies that are already generating revenue and need more room to spend as they scale. This isn't a traditional credit card, it's a revenue-based business card and credit platform that looks at your business financials instead of your personal credit score. Revenued is designed to build business credit while increasing spending limits as your revenue grows. That makes it a strong option if you're moving fast and outgrowing starter cards. There aren't traditional rewards like cashback or points. The real value is access to capital and a credit profile that expands alongside your revenue. Revenued isn't for brand new businesses. You need consistent revenue to qualify. It's best for companies that are past the startup phase and want financial tools and credit limits that scale with growth. Mercury's IO MasterCard is our top pick if your goal is to build business credit from the ground up. It's designed for startups and newer companies without long credit histories, and it's tied to your business, not your personal credit score. There's no personal guarantee, which is huge if you want to keep your personal finances separate. You use the card for everyday business spending, and Mercury uses that activity to help build business credit and increase limits over time. Mercury keeps perks simple. You get spending controls, built-in tools that connect with checking, savings, bill pay, and invoicing, and a 1.5% cash back on purchases. The main requirement is having a Mercury account and a real business with an EIN. If you're registered and ready to build business credit the right way, this is one of the easiest ways to start. IO is best for startups, solo founders, and newer companies that want to separate personal and business credit from day one. If you want to learn more about Mercury's IO, check out our full video linked in the description. Mercury's IO is one of the easiest ways to start building real business credit the right way. If you're ready to get started, hit the link in the description. You can also check out our full reviews to find the right card for your situation. If you're growing quickly, Revenued and Brex give you room to scale. If you want a traditional card, Spark Classic is a solid choice. And if personal credit is holding you back, Discover It Secured gives you a way forward. Building business credit isn't about points or flashy perks. It's about giving your company better options, better rates, higher limits, and the freedom to grow without putting everything on your personal credit. Thanks for watching today, Mavericks. I'll see you in the next video.